Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. What do you do to relax?
When I feel relaxed,
Not I feel relaxed, I feel tired. Tired होंगे तो relax करेंगे ना ये पहले relax कर लिया. What do you do to relax?
I do gardening for
relaxation.
for relaxation because it gives a full of joy. I water the plants and see the it gives us the full of natures, and sometimes I sit on the garden.
I sit in the garden.
I sit in the garden and see the many of the plants. I bought them.
Okay, all right. I look at the plants and this gives me the inner peace, relaxation, peace, and just refer the topic.
Okay, sir.
Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
In my opinion, the sports give us the not a physical, but and it gives us the mental environment. It gives
The topic is, do you think sports is a good way to relax? Yes, I strongly believe that sports is the best way to relax, because whenever you play any game, during that you have a feeling of peace, you feel excited about that, and that is where relaxation comes from. Okay. So I think sports, playing any game, whether it is cricket, football, badminton, while playing game you always feel relaxed, and this is the best therapy in order to be relaxed. Okay. Something like that. Okay, just link the topic with the main question.
Okay, sir.
Do you think vacation is a good time for you to relax?
Yes, the vacation is good for relaxation because in vacation we unplug by their work or studies. In relaxation we do many sports activities like playing cricket, playing football, and many more sports activities we do in our vacation.
Okay. Do you think students need more relaxing time?
Yes, in my opinion, the students have time for relaxation because they have stress in their studies. They have stress in their studies, so
they need more time to relax.
They need more time to relax. And focus on their studies.
Okay, now don't repeat relax, that's okay, repetition. Okay, you are much better than before, but still you need to improve further, right? All right, your turn, please turn this mic there. Your topic is about special costume. Now special costume is special dress. Okay. It can be suit, it can be any traditional dress that you wear and all that. So special costume, don't be afraid. Special costume means any special traditional dress that you wear on wedding or on any special occasion. So do you like to wear special costumes?
I prefer to wear special costumes on wedding, on other ceremonies. I have a special costume like a three-piece suit, and I wear that on special ceremonies like wedding or other meetings.
Okay, that's good. Did you try any special costume when you were younger?
No, I can't.
I couldn't.
I couldn't memorize.
I don't remember.
I don't remember. When I was in my childhood, I wore any special dress.
I wore a special dress
because that time I was too small, and my mentally strength was not too strong to guess that type of thing.
So you can say I used to dress up like other kids. So I don't think so. When I was small, I used to wear any special costume. Focus the language, actually grammar, when you answer this question. When was the last time you wore special costume?
Yeah, I can remember when my younger sister wedding. That time I wore special costume, and that was a kurta pajama, and I stitched it.
I got it stitched. Hotonis like किया ना? I got it stitched.
I got it stitched to a tailor to on my choice. That
Okay.
That type I want to.
All right. So that was the last time I wore a special costume. Did you ever buy special costumes?
Yeah, I like to buy a special costume.
Now,
because-
did you ever buy past tense?
Okay.
Yes, once there was a function in our college, and for that I had to dress up like that. Okay, so did you ever buy special costumes?
Yes, I remember when my younger sister's wedding. That time I bought a special costume because that was a special moment. For
Yeah, that was a
me.
special occasion.
Little occasion for me. That's time I.
That's
buy a
why I
special-
bought a very fantastic costume like that. Okay, so just answer all the questions, try to connect your ideas, try to be more confident. Okay, and go through this book, you will get a lot of ideas there.
Okay.
Right? Thank you.
Thank you so
Good
much.
job, huh? Keep it up.